Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on App Guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can recover your Apple ID if you have lost the password to it. So you have an Apple ID that you use on all your Apple devices. You have your photos, contacts and many other stuff backed up in the cloud storage of that Apple ID, but somehow you've forgotten or lost the password to it and you want to recover it but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. You've clicked on the right video. I'll show you some simple steps in order to recover your Apple ID in no time. It's a very simple process. You'll have no problem doing it. So the first thing you want to do in order to recover your Apple ID is open a browser and go to appleid.apple.com. Once you go to appleid.apple.com, you land on an interface like this. Here, this is the sign-in interface of Apple. Here you need to enter the credentials in order to log into your Apple ID. But we don't have the password to our account, so what we'll do is tap on Forgot Apple ID or Password button just below the sign-in option. Once you click on that option, you land on an interface like this. Here what Apple will do is ask you to enter the Apple ID, so go ahead and enter the email address that you use as an Apple ID to create your Apple ID. Once you enter the email that you used to create your Apple ID as an Apple ID, click on Continue button. Once you click on the Continue button, Apple will ask you to enter the phone number that you used to create your Apple ID with. So go ahead and enter that phone number. Once you enter the phone number, click on Continue button. Once you click on the Continue button, Apple will send a verification code to your phone number. So go to that phone number and enter the verification code. Once you enter the verification code from a phone number, click on the Continue button. Once you click on the Continue button, Apple will send a verification code to your email as well. So go to that email and enter the verification code. Once you enter the verification code from your email as well, click on the Continue button. Once you click on the Continue button, you land on an interface like this. Here you'll have the option to create a new password for your Apple ID. So go ahead and create a new password for your Apple ID, but before that, the Apple ID password cannot contain anything of your name. So don't enter your name as a password. Go ahead and create an anonymous password for your Apple ID. Once you create a new password for your Apple ID, confirm that password. Once you create and confirm your new password for your Apple ID, click on the Continue button. Once you click on the Continue button, you'll successfully reset the password to your Apple ID, which means you have successfully recovered the Apple ID that you wanted to recover. Now you can use the new credentials in order to log into the Apple ID that you want to log into and look for all the data that you wanted to check. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.